Here we are, more trailers getting delivered to be able to serve you. We're building our Airboss lineup. As you can see right here, we've got an Airboss 575. We've got the tank mounted on the trailer. We have the guys cleaning them up, making sure that they're ready to ship out. You can see over here, we've got about a dozen compressors that are getting ready to be built onto these trailer rigs as well, with these beautiful tanks that we have, hydraulically agitated. Again, power pack performance to help you grow your business. Check out these compressors, these Kohler 14 horsepowers, oil sensor alert, electric starts. They are beauties, full of power, the biggest pumps that are on these compressors that exist in our industry. And as you can see, there's not just one or two of these that are going out. We have literally dozens that go out a month, from 130 gallon all the way up to 750 gallon rigs. We're here to serve you, and we appreciate every opportunity to earn your business. Let us know if you have any questions, 866-399-5562. We look forward to serving you.